You need this immune booster juice in your morning routine. It's glowing skin in a cup. For this beauty boosting, immune strengthening juice, you will need some carrots, some turmeric, and some ginger. Rinse and set aside, and you will also need some oranges and some lime. Simple ingredients that are powerful and so good for you. We're gonna be blending our carrots, our turmeric, and our ginger together, and we're gonna add a little water to it. Blend it well and then strain it. Look at this beautiful bright color. I love it. We're gonna juice our oranges and our lime. And this here is a perfect example of what I mean when I say use what you have at home, because this juice could easily be made with a juice extractor, but I don't have one, and I'm not letting that stop me from making this immune booster glow juice. These ingredients work together to brighten your skin, reduce inflammation, and boost your energy. Add both juices back to the mixer. And to that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed for fiber, healthy fats, and a smooth digestion. Blend well and reserve. This is the perfect morning boost, refreshing, nourishing, and full of holiday wellness. Let's give it a taste test. It is nice and citrusy, and you really feel the ginger. Your body will thank you. Alright, Ginger Gems, that's day 4 of Vlogmas in the Kitchen. If you're enjoying this series, drop me a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.